Hi, if you use EndNote for your referencing, I've created a tool that'll help you analyze those references, such as what are the keywords, the most prolific keywords, what sources are there in your references, and so on. Let me show you. If we go across to EndNote, you might have tens of thousands of references here, but I'll select a folder in this case and just select the references you want to analyze. Then click File, Export, change this to be XML. The save as type must be XML. These other two fields, file name and output style, they don't matter. But the save as type must be XML, and I'll just change the file name so we know what this file is called, and I'll click Save. Then on the web, if we go to biblioendnote.streamlit.app, let's upload that file. And in a few seconds, I'll get various data. So we can see a summary of our data frame. In this case, we had 165 records, and they were published between 1921 and 2024, for example. We can see the publication year, the year that these records were published in. For example, in 2021, 22 records were published, and you can download that as a PDF to insert into your assignment and so on. We've got a tree map of keywords, and on we go, word clouds and so on. I won't go through everything. Also, we have various filter options on the side, and this is dynamic. It'll recalculate as you go. For example, if we want to look at, let's say, for those references, the years, the publishing years, the data for the publishing years between 2000 and 2024, I'll just do that, and it'll recalculate. So for those years, 2020 to 2024, for these references, marketing with 16 keywords was my most popular keyword, marketing agility the second most, and so on. And we can see that, for example, the top 10 authors in that time, 2000 to 2024, was Carl Week, and so on. I hope you enjoy this tool. Please let me know how it goes if you've got any recommendations. Thank you.